Simple User Maintenance Guide. Desiccant Capsule Replacement. When to replace? Silica gel will darken as it becomes saturated. Depending on usage, a 12-week minimum lifetime is expected. Step 1. Check silica gel color via the window on the left-hand side panel of the generator. If bluish-green, it needs to be replaced. Step 2. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to shut down and depressurize. Now turn off the main power switch at the back of the unit. Step 3. Open the top panel by lifting gently. Step 4. Loosen and remove the cap of the desiccant dryer by turning counterclockwise. Step 5. Remove the saturated desiccant capsule and replace with a fresh capsule. Step 6. Replace the cap and hand tighten by turning clockwise. Step 7. Close the top panel. Step 8. Power up the generator using the main power switch on the rear of the unit. Once diagnostics are complete, the LEDs will be solid green and the generator will be ready to deliver gas to the application. Press the front button to supply gas to the application.